Hello and welcome to another review. Today I will be reviewing this L-shaped corner desk by Ulokit. It is sold on Amazon and it is an Amazon Choice desk. This was actually sent to me by the manufacturer. They asked that I would review this, but I was not paid. So I will give an honest review of the pros and cons of this desk. It's a good desk. I believe that they made it for smaller rooms. I'll give the dimensions. But if you are going to get a desk like this, my biggest recommendation is to get a chair, with an office chair with armrests. Because as you are up against the desk, you will have room for your elbows to rest because you are relatively close to the keyboard. That's probably the biggest con, but it's not really a con, it's a smaller desk. As far as dimensions go, but before I do dimensions, the left side is the shorter side of the L, and you cannot swap it to the right side. So this is the configuration. The back on the left side, or the center point, is the corner is cut off. That makes it convenient for wires and all of those things. As far as how much weight it can hold, I sat on this desk. I sat on it here in the back and over there on that side. I did not sit here. That is probably the weakest point, but I weigh about 220 pounds at the time of this video, and it didn't make me nervous. So that should give you an idea of what to expect. As far as the depth of the desk, you're looking at about 19 inches, just a hair under 19 inches. On the left side, let's move the laptop out of the way. On the left side, the total length is about 47¼ and extending on the right side, you are looking at 66¼ roughly. There is a slight overhang of the desk, which is about a quarter of an inch on the outside end and the inside. However, on this side, it's a lot more. So let's go ahead and measure that. It's almost, if it'll focus, it's almost 2 inches. Maybe a hair over 2 inches. When I was putting this together, if you'll notice in the Amazon picture, it does not show these cross support beams, and they are not really necessary unless you're placing some kind of vibrating platform on your table or you're moving the table a lot. I think it looks nicer without them, but I included it just to show you what it came with. But assembly was easy. It gives you a screwdriver and a wrench. It's a metal frame. Had an interesting friction fit. There's still a stick. No, there's no sticker. It has this interesting friction fit portion, and then the rest screws in. I haven't seen that before. As far as the thickness, this is laminate over MDF, and the thickness is, where are we at there? About 1/2 inch, a little over 1/2 inch. If I'm measuring that correctly, let's bring that up there. Yeah, it's about 1/2 inch thick. And it has, there are different finishes. This has a satin finish with a slight wood grain, but I'm running my finger over it. There's slight bumps, but if you wrote with just one piece of paper and a pen, you are not going to get wood texture on your paper. The picture I noticed that they had in the description made it look quite aggressive on the wood texture, which is not the case, at least with my experience. But assembly was easy, and I did make one mistake, so I'll point this out to you. If you notice, when I assembled it, I over-tightened on this side, and so it's not flush. But I'm almost 100% positive that was my fault. But it is a good desk. It is affordable, definitely. It's about $130. And if I didn't say already, I'll put the link in the description below. I'm trying to think. Oh, let's talk about the feet. Now, it comes with these screw-in metal caster type feet that have a plastic nylon type material on the bottom so that you won't be scratching any wood floors, and you can adjust the level height, not really give it more than maybe half an inch, I believe, of unscrewing it. You know, it's not really going to make a taller desk so much as it will help you level it if it's not level. But let's also give the height of the desk, since we didn't do that. Give the depth and the width and the length. And now we're going to do the height. 29 inches on carpet, so give or take. It looks like it's almost a quarter over 29 inches. So a standard desk height, and if you have an adjustable office chair, it shouldn't be a problem. But this is made, I believe, to fit in most small corners, small offices, but it doesn't look out of place in a slightly larger office space. And with a flat panel screen, instead of the old-timey CRT monitors, which I don't think anybody uses, you shouldn't have a problem utilizing this desk. Let me know in the comments section below what you think. If I missed something, if you need to ask me a question, please feel free. And subscribe, click that subscribe button, and ring the bell if you want more notifications. I try to be as thorough as possible in my review videos. And I review a very wide range of products, so you might be interested to see more of the stuff that I do. And anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you around. Bye. Also, I forgot to mention that it actually comes with a 12-month warranty, which is pretty good. But, you know, I don't think you'll need it, but it comes with one. And it is Amazon Choice, if I didn't mention that. It's Amazon Choice desk. So, there you have it.